Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about diamond water paradox. Diamond water paradox was first introduced by Adam Smith in his book named Wealth of a Nation. Why diamonds are more expensive than water even though water is more important for survival. Why diamonds are more expensive than water even though water is more important for survival. This question will be called diamond water paradox. Adam Smith recognized this paradox, but he was not able to give satisfactory explanation in order to resolve this paradox. But why Adam Smith was not able to give satisfactory explanation in order to resolve a diamond water paradox? Because the concept of marginal utility, which is very important in order to resolve this paradox, was not fully developed during that time period. But after some time period, Alfred Marshall solved the diamond water paradox by introducing the concept of marginal utility. As we know, total utility from water is very high because every day we consume water and water is necessary for our survival. That's why total utility from water is very high. But price decided on the basis of marginal utility, not on the basis of total utility. And marginal utility from water is very less. But why marginal utility from water is very less? Because generally water found in abundant and easily available. That's why marginal utility from water is very less. If marginal utility from water less, that's why price of water is also very less. On the other hand, diamonds have very less total utility because diamonds are not plentiful as a water. We don't buy a diamond every day, but we consume water every day. Second thing, diamonds are not necessary for our survival. That's why total utility from diamond is very less. But marginal utility from diamond is very high because diamonds are very scarce, not available in large quantities. It is very harder to find. Marginal utility from diamond is very high. That's why price of diamond is very high, but consumer surplus is less in case of diamonds because total utility from diamond is less, but market price is relatively very high. On the other hand, consumer surplus is very high in case of water because total utility from water is very high, but market price is relatively low. Now we understand diamond water paradox with the help of this diagram. First diagram represent water, second diagram represent diamond. This one is demand curve of water, this one is supply curve of water. This one is demand curve of diamond, this one is supply curve of diamond. Here you can see price of water is very low, price of water is only OP. But price of a diamond is very high. Here you can see price of diamond is OP1. Price of water is less because marginal utility from water is less. Price of diamond is high because marginal utility from a diamond is very high. Here you can see water available in more quantities. Water available in OQ1 quantities, but diamonds are available in very less quantities. Diamonds are available only OQ quantities. Third thing, here you can see consumer surplus from water is more, but consumer surplus from diamond is very less. Consumer surplus is difference between demand curve and price. This part will be called consumer surplus, means consumer surplus from water is equal to PRE. This part will be called consumer surplus from water. Same way, this part will be called consumer surplus from a diamond. Here you can see consumer surplus from water is more, but consumer surplus from diamond is very less. So this is all about diamond water paradox. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.